Hello there, this is my garden update number 2, 2026 season. Look at that, sunflowers finally smiling big, beautiful. Gladiolus flowers also blooming very nicely. And this is parsley, look, it's grown out of the row cover, grown so big. And that's basil. These are string beans and edamame. They're looking pretty healthy, looking good. These guys are pumpkin plants. They look pretty healthy and vigorous. This area is getting weedy, so I got to weed. But anyway, the green leaf stuff right there, that's a green shiso. And marigold, I got orange and yellow. They are natural pest control trap crop. And these are purple, red shiso. And shishito pepper, they're very mild. I mean, not too hot. So it's pretty good. Green bell pepper. I've got red and yellow as well, but they're not ready. Zucchini, looking good. Swiss chard and cayenne pepper. Well, they are still green, so we need the hot weather this summer. These are cukes, I have a feeling it's going to be the year of cucumber this year because they're already exploding. Eggplants, beautiful, they're looking good. More basil plants. I'm looking forward to making lots of pesto sauce. And those are nasturtium, they're also a trap crop. Tomato plants. I got some cherry tomatoes, mid-size and large ones. The plants need to be pruned, suckers off. More basil plants. They're planted together because they're companion planting. They like each other. And that's okra and bitter melon, Goya, right here. These are watermelon plants. I'm so excited. I've got yellow ones and red ones this year. So we'll see how they go. So fingers crossed. And my beautiful cosmos flowers. Look at that. Beautiful, aren't they? Whenever I see cosmos flowers, they remind me of someone. That is Olivia Newton-John. See, the cosmos flower means universe and a beautiful order, and it's perfectly symmetrical petals, reflecting peace, tranquility, and innocence. What do you think? And out of curiosity, I just measured one of the tallest sunflower plants. Look how tall it is. 250 centimeters. Wow, that's over 8 feet. And finally, this is today's harvest. Look at that. Beautiful.